Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of 4x4 Rubik's Cube. Let's unbox it. I have purchased it online in the Amazon website. Wow, this is the box and we got to open it. Wow, this is 4x4 cube. Also, you have instruction manual. Instruction manual is available here. This is the instruction manual. Okay, how to solve this 4x4 cube. All possibilities and procedures are given here. You can make use of them. Otherwise, you can also follow our video to solve this 4x4 cube. Okay, wow, it's very nice. Colors are very nice. Also, it is very smooth while rotating. Okay. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.